Hey guys, welcome to Deals with Amazon. Are you looking for my YouTube channel top best 3 standard water filter pitcher in 2023? Number 1 Brita large 10 cup water filter pitcher. About this item, the BPA free everyday water pitcher with filter holds 10 cups of water, enough to fill 3 24-ounce reusable water bottles. Product reservoir and lid may vary. Get great tasting water without the waste. By switching to Brita, you can save money and replace 1,800 single-use plastic water bottles a year. The space-efficient Brita pitcher fits perfectly on refrigerator shelves, features an easy-fill locking lid, and is easy to pour. Height 10.47, width 5.59, length depth 10.94, weight 2.29 pounds. Brita is the #1 water filter, reducing chlorine, taste and odor, mercury, copper, zinc and cadmium. Always get cleaner filtered water with an electronic indicator that makes filter reminders effortless, compatible with long-last and standard water filters. For the freshest tasting water, replace your long-last filter after 120 gallons, or approximately every 6 months. Our standard filter, after 40 gallons, are approximately every 2 months. 16.9 ounces water based on IRI data versus tap. Number 2 ZeroWater 10 cup ready pour water filter pitcher. About this item, 10 cup water filter pitcher. You'll always have cleaner, pure tasting water on hand with our BPA free water pitcher filter in your fridge. Use the included TDS meter to monitor water quality. 5-stage water filtration. Unlike many water filters and pitchers, a ZeroWater water pitcher with filter for tap water use 5 stages of filtration to bring you cleaner, better tasting water. Not an ordinary water filter. A ZeroWater filtered water pitcher for refrigerator filters water in 5 stages and is NSF certified to reduce lead and other heavy metals. ZeroWater removes 99.6% of total dissolved solids, 2x more than the leading brand. Get more out of your water. Remove more impurities from your water with ZeroWater's 5-stage water pitcher filter system. Get the lead out. ZeroWater water filter pitchers for drinking water are the only pour-through filters NSF certified to remove chromium and lead. Our filter pitcher removes virtually all solids for the purest tasting water. Number 3 Brita Elite water filter replacements for pitchers. About this item, get cleaner, great tasting water without the waste with Brita Elite water filter replacements. You can save money and replace 1,800 single-use plastic water bottles per year. Packaging may vary, reduces 99% of lead, filters chlorine, taste and odor, cadmium, mercury, benzene, asbestos, and more. Brita Elite filters out more than 3x the contaminants versus standard Brita filters. The Brita Elite lasts 3x longer than PUR filters and 6x longer than standard ZeroWater filters. Only replace the Brita Elite water filter 2x a year. About 6 months. Compatible with all Brita pitchers and dispensers except stream. Just insert filter into reservoir, line up pitcher notch with filter groove, press firmly to ensure tight seal. Blue in color, and made without BPA. Brita Elite filters feature a pull-top cap for easy removal, and with no pre-soaking. Filter installation is fast and simple. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and commenting below. Check out the description.